Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix login error on Marvel Rivals. And it really doesn't matter if you're using Xbox or PS5 or PC, the process will be a little bit different of course, but the idea is the same, right? So the first step what I suggest to do here is to open up Google and go and write just Marvel Rival status and look if the servers is not down. Usually it's on their Twitter page. It says that the servers are down for maintenance, or here you will see a report spike, right? And if it's not the spike, the chances are high that the problem is on your end. And to do so, to fix this problem, first go to fast.com and test your internet speed. If you have good internet speed, you're good to go. If you don't, maybe limit some devices and restart your router. And the next thing what you need to do here, if it's not working after your router is restarted, go and change your DNS server addresses. On PS5 or Xbox, you just need to Google it out how to do so, but on PC, I will show you. Go to Network and Internet, Advanced Network Settings. Then here Ethernet. For me is Ethernet because this is my connection. You need to find yours. Then double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4, and apply the changes. Don't worry about it. It's just a Google DNS server. Test it out and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then open up command prompt, right click on it, run as admin. And then here, you need to write IP config /flush DNS. Another command is -winsock reset. And after that, go to settings, then go to network and internet again, press on it, advanced network settings, and reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your Wi-Fi password again. If you're using Ethernet cable, you don't need to do it here, nothing, and the problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's basically it.